Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Hope you are having a blessed day today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cottage pie and croquettes. However, normally these two dishes are made with potato, but in this video I'm going to show you how to make them with dasheen and yam. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you to start the cottage pie and the croquettes. I'm going to boil the yam and dasheen in salted water. Now the dasheen and yam has been peeled and cut. I'm going to boil until tender. While the yam and dasheen are boiling, I'm going to start the filling for the cottage pie. I'm going to start the filling by sauteing garlic, onions, pimento and carrots for about 2 minutes. After that, I'm going to add minced meat, green peas, green seasoning, tomatoes, and flour. Now that all ingredients are added together, you have to cook this mincemeat filling for approximately 10 minutes under low heat. So to finish up the cottage pie and the croquettes, what I did, I split the yam and dasheen in half. I have half of the yam and dasheen for the cottage pie, and the other half would be for the croquettes. So to season the yam and the dasheen for the cottage pie, you have to add butter, cheese, this is cheddar cheese, milk, 2 egg yolks, this is optional, and salt and pepper to taste. What I'm going to do now is crush this to a mashed potato consistency. So to finish my local twist on cottage pie, what you have to do now is add some filling at the base of a dish that can bake in the oven. Add the mashed dasheen and yam. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until you have that wonderful golden brown color on top. That might take 10 to 50 minutes depending on the oven. Hope you enjoyed the video where I put my twist on the cottage pie using local ingredients. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're on YouTube. If you're seeing this video on Instagram, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video. On the next video,